just wanted to make a quick video explaining some keybinds you can use when working with blueprints that should save you a lot of time. So I'm in a blank third-person project here, but this should work on any type of project. I'm going to go ahead and make a new actor blueprint class. We can name it whatever. I'll name it test underscore inputs. And then we're going to go ahead and change over to the event graph here. And I'll go through 3 different categories of tips here. So the first one will be things that you can use in the blueprint event graph itself to save you some time. My favorite one, if you hold down the B key and left click, it'll automatically insert a branch at your cursor location. I use a ton of branches in my development, and it really saves me time doing that and not having to right click and search branch every single time. You can do the same thing with the D key for a delay node or the S key for a sequence node. And then another tip that I find very helpful when working with variables in the event graph. Typically, when you drag a variable in, you'll have to select getting or setting. But if you hold the control key when you're dragging it in, it'll automatically do a getter. And if you hold the alt key when you're dragging it in, it'll automatically do a setter. So that's a pretty nice time saver as well. And then another really nice thing, 2 things that are good for making blueprints cleaner. We'll just use this actor begin overlap as an example. And then just to get some nodes in here, I'm just going to set this variable twice. This part does not matter. This is just to emulate having a blueprint with information in it. So say we get all the way over here in our blueprint and we realize we want this other actor pin to make use of from calling this a begin overlap event. So we could drag it out and we'll say maybe set the transform of this other actor that's overlapping with us. So this will work perfectly fine, but it's a little ugly having this blue line just blasting through 2 other nodes to get to where we want it. So what we can do here is double left click at any spot on the line to add a pin to that line, and then we can drag those pins around. And if we put 2 like this and kind of square them off at the top, already it just looks much cleaner in my opinion, just going over the nodes like that. And then one other last tip for blueprint cleanness, we'll just add another random node out here, like a print. If you have 2 nodes selected at any time and hit the Q key on your keyboard, it'll automatically align them. So you see if I drag it way out of line like this, highlight both, it will bring them down to where it's a straight connection between these 2 things. And then of course I could do the same here, or just do it for all of them at once. Very helpful, very clean. So that's my blueprint keybinds. I hope some of them will make your life a little bit easier on your development journey. Thanks for watching.